Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure academic partnerships with universities, complete guide step by step clearly. Research potential universities aligned with your goals and values. Identify departments or programs that complement your objectives. Create a comprehensive list of contact information for key personnel. Develop a clear and compelling value proposition for your partnership. Outline the benefits for both your organization and the university. Craft a personalized email to introduce your organization and its mission. Highlight specific areas of mutual interest in your message. Propose a meeting to discuss potential collaboration in detail. Prepare for the meeting by outlining key discussion points. Showcase previous successful partnerships as examples of your capability. Be open to feedback and suggestions from the university representatives. Discuss potential projects or initiatives that could arise from the partnership. Establish clear goals and objectives for the partnership's success. Determine the resources each party can contribute to the collaboration. Agree on a timeline for the partnership's development and key milestones. Draft a partnership agreement that outlines roles, responsibilities, and expectations. Include metrics for evaluating the partnership's effectiveness over time. Set up regular check-ins to ensure ongoing communication and collaboration. Create a plan for promoting successes resulting from the partnership. Solicit ongoing feedback to improve and adapt the partnership as needed. Celebrate achievements to strengthen your relationship with the university. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.